The future of creation. YouTube in 2025. YouTube has always been a platform of innovation, constantly evolving to meet the needs of its creators and viewers. From its humble beginnings as a simple video sharing site, it has grown into a global phenomenon influencing culture, entertainment, and even education. As we step into 2025, this spirit of evolution is more apparent than ever before. The integration of artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and augmented reality is transforming how content is created and consumed. The platform is undergoing a transformation driven by cutting-edge technology and a renewed focus on empowering creators. New tools and features are being introduced to help creators push the boundaries of their creativity and reach wider audiences. The future of YouTube is bright, promising a world of opportunities for those who dare to create. With enhanced monetization options and community-building features, creators are finding new ways to thrive and connect with their audiences. This is a new era for YouTube, one where the power of creation is placed firmly in the hands of those with stories to tell and passions to share. The platform is becoming more inclusive, offering tools and resources to support diverse voices and perspectives. It's a future where technology and creativity intertwine to redefine what's possible in the world of online video. The lines between creator and viewer are blurring, with interactive content and immersive experiences becoming the norm. Get ready to explore the exciting possibilities that await as we delve into the dynamic landscape of YouTube in 2025. The journey ahead is filled with innovation, creativity, and endless potential. Empowering creators. Neal Mohan's vision. At the helm of this exciting evolution is Neal Mohan, YouTube's CEO, whose vision for the platform centers around empowering creators. Mohan recognizes the vital role creators play in YouTube's ecosystem and is committed to providing them with the tools and resources they need to thrive. His vision emphasizes fostering a sustainable creative environment where creators feel valued, supported, and equipped to succeed. Mohan's leadership marks a pivotal moment in YouTube's journey, one where the focus shifts even more towards empowering individual creators and fostering a thriving community. His commitment to providing creators with the resources and support they need is set to reshape the landscape of online content creation. As YouTube continues to evolve under Mohan's guidance, we can expect a platform that is increasingly creator-centric, innovative, and driven by the power of community. AI takes the stage, revolutionizing content creation. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept, it's here, and it's transforming the way we create. YouTube recognizes the potential of AI to empower creators and is introducing a suite of AI-powered tools designed to streamline the content creation process. These tools are not about replacing human creativity, they're about enhancing it, freeing creators from tedious tasks and allowing them to focus on what they do best, creating compelling content. Imagine a world where editing videos, dubbing them into multiple languages, or even creating original music becomes as simple as a few clicks. That's the power of AI in content creation. By automating these tasks, AI tools are poised to revolutionize how we approach video production, making it more accessible, efficient, and enjoyable for creators of all skill levels. AI in action editing, dubbing, and music. Let's dive into the specifics of how AI is set to transform content creation on YouTube. The integration of AI into the editing process is nothing short of revolutionary. It's not just about speeding up the workflow, it's about enhancing the creative process itself. Imagine an AI-powered editing tool that can analyze your raw footage and automatically cut together a polished video, complete with transitions and music. This tool can identify the best moments, sync them with the beat of the music, and even suggest creative effects that you might not have thought of. This is just one example of how AI can save creators countless hours of editing time, allowing them to focus on creating more content. The relief and joy on a creator's face when they see their vision come to life effortlessly is truly priceless. But AI's capabilities extend far beyond editing. it's also revolutionizing how creators can reach and engage with their audiences. Imagine being able to reach a global audience by dubbing your videos into multiple languages with the help of AI-powered voiceovers that sound natural and engaging. This means your content can break language barriers and resonate with viewers from different cultures and backgrounds. Or picture yourself adding a custom soundtrack to your video using AI-generated music that perfectly complements your content. This music can be tailored to fit the mood and tone of your video, making your storytelling even more compelling. These are just a few examples of how AI is set to empower creators and redefine the possibilities of content creation on YouTube. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Section 5. Beyond ads, expanding revenue streams for creators. Monetization is a crucial aspect of content creation, and YouTube understands the importance of providing creators with diverse revenue streams. While ads will continue to play a role, YouTube is introducing new and innovative ways for creators to earn income from their content. These new revenue streams are designed to reward creators for their hard work and foster a more sustainable creative ecosystem. One exciting development is the expansion of membership programs, allowing creators to offer exclusive content and perks to their most loyal fans in exchange for a monthly fee. This provides creators with a more predictable income stream and fosters a deeper connection with their audience. Additionally, YouTube is facilitating more brand deals and sponsorships, connecting creators with brands that align with their content and values. Section 6. YouTube on the big screen, enhanced TV experience. YouTube is no longer confined to our phones and laptops. It's taking over our living rooms. The convenience of watching your favorite content on a larger screen is transforming how we consume media. The platform is investing heavily in its TV app, recognizing the growing trend of viewers consuming content on larger screens. This investment is evident in the app's sleek design and intuitive interface, making it easier than ever to find and enjoy your favorite videos. Expect a more immersive and user-friendly YouTube experience on your TV with improved navigation, enhanced video quality, and seamless integration with other devices. The app's performance is optimized for high-definition displays, ensuring that every video looks stunning. YouTube on TV is not just about watching videos, it's about creating a shared viewing experience. Whether it's family movie night or a casual hangout with friends, YouTube brings people together. The platform is introducing features that enhance social interaction, such as watch parties and live Q&A sessions, allowing viewers to engage with content and each other in real time, making it easier for creators to connect with their audience in real time. These interactive features are designed to foster a sense of community and make the viewing experience more dynamic. As YouTube continues to prioritize the TV viewing experience, creators who optimize their content for the big screen will be well positioned to capitalize on this growing trend. High-quality visuals and engaging content are key to standing out in this new era of television. Section 7. Decoding the algorithm. Tips for increased visibility. The YouTube algorithm can seem like a mystery, but understanding its basics is crucial for getting your content seen by a wider audience. The algorithm prioritizes videos that viewers find engaging, so focus on creating high-quality content that keeps viewers hooked. Pay attention to watch time, likes, comments, and shares, as these signals indicate to the algorithm that your content is resonating with viewers. Another crucial aspect is optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords that viewers are likely to search for. This helps the algorithm understand what your video is about and recommend it to the right audience. Consistency is key, so make sure to upload new content regularly to keep your audience engaged and signal to the algorithm that your channel is active. Section 8. Embracing the evolution, staying ahead of the curve. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and what works today might not work tomorrow. To thrive on YouTube in 2025 and beyond, creators need to be adaptable, willing to experiment, and always eager to learn new things. Stay informed about the latest platform updates, experiment with new features and content formats, and don't be afraid to try new things. Embrace the power of community by engaging with fellow creators, participating in challenges, and collaborating on projects. Networking with other creators can provide invaluable insights, support, and inspiration, helping you stay ahead of the curve and continue to grow your channel. Remember, the beauty of YouTube lies in its ever-evolving nature, and by embracing change and innovation, creators can unlock endless possibilities. As Section 9, your YouTube journey begins now. Call to action. The future of YouTube is brimming with possibilities, and there's never been a better time to be a creator on the platform. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your channel to the next level, embrace the tools, resources, and opportunities available to you. Experiment, innovate, and most importantly, never stop creating. Your voice deserves to be heard, your stories deserve to be told, and YouTube provides the platform to do just that. So what are you waiting for? The world is watching, and your YouTube journey begins now. Go out there and create something awesome.